Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to add a photo to your contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, go to your contact list and tap on the contact you would like to edit. Now let's tap on this edit icon right in the middle, and as you can see here, we've got the whole section which is connected to the photo and the profile picture. So we've got two different options from which we can choose. We've got the gallery, so we will be able to pick the photo which has been previously taken, or we can choose the camera option and then your device will open the camera app. So obviously this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you can just take a photo of him or her. So I will pick the gallery option. Of course, you have to give all of the permissions, and right now you've been transferred to the gallery, so just tap on the option you would like to use. And right now we can adjust the size and the position of this square and the circle inside of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. What's more, we can also zoom in or out the photo. So just position it like you want to, because this area is responsible for what you will see after saving it. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, so just tap on save. And here we've got the contact with the photo, and it should appear right here. And as you can see, it appears. What's more, you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.